that. That's completely coming off.
Okay, so a water leak damaged the floor in CASA Culture, and this room is used by the cultural organizations and entrepreneurs from underrepresented communities in our region. It's a safe space for them to connect, create, and collaborate.
I'm not sure it's salvageable. I mean, I know that we're doing everything we can, but if this water's that far in, okay, well, that's it. That's all we can say.
We were really expecting less water, but
To say that I'm upset and frustrated is an understatement. Where are they going to practice dance and theater? Where are they going to conduct capacity building workshops, community art sessions, programming for at-risk youth, photography, and video production? We've done our very best to keep this place open and available for the community with the help of dedicated volunteers, a handful of committed funders, and barely any support from local government. I'm done applying for grants. The bottom line is that we are in urgent need of financial support from people, foundations, and companies who have to simply trust that we're using your donations to impact the community in a positive way. So I'm asking you to please help us out. Scan the QR code and make a donation. We've learned to stretch each dollar and promise to do good with your contribution.